Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been posting as many like PR hauls, and to be honest, I really haven't been getting that many packages in with everything going on with the coronavirus, so that's why I haven't really been posting them. I have been saving the ones I have gotten so that way we could do a pretty nice size haul. The packages definitely picked up this past week, so maybe I'll be able to get back on schedule weekly for these mail hauls, but I hope that you guys are doing good, staying safe and everything, and yeah, I have been doing a lot of posting on Instagram stories of all the house updates that we've been doing. Let me know if you guys have been following along with that. I may actually convert some of them over onto YouTube with like our before and afters, but if you guys like seeing that content and you want to see it on my channel, then let me know in the comments below. And let's go ahead and dive in. I also kind of look like I have a bronzer like helmet around my head because I put self-tan on this morning and there's just a lot going on. And my nose, there's like something going on with my nose too. Okay, let's go ahead and open up. First thing, okay, so first package came from NARS and it was in this beautiful like orangey packaging. I took it out because I was too excited and I couldn't figure out how to get it back in. So here's what it looks like. And I was so freaking excited when this came in. You guys know how much I love NARS. Like, oh, I love their products. So it says the heat is on. NARS iconic bronzing powder gets amplified with new shades and new textures. Can you take the heat? Available April 1st, exclusively at Sephora, which means it's available now. And yeah. Okay, so first thing that they sent over are these amazing powder chrome loose eyeshadows. I think I actually already have these shades. Let me check. Stricken and Shock'em are two that I already have because they actually sent these to me and I love these. They're so awesome. So I'm gonna put these aside maybe for you guys for like a giveaway. But they did send over a new shade that I don't have. It's called, I cannot see what it's called because of the way that the little sticker's on here, but here's what it looks like. You guys, these are so beautiful. They're Power Chrome pigments. So stunning. So there's that one. Very pretty. And then the last one they sent is called Castaway. I do need to check because I feel like I may have that color, so I don't want to swatch it if I already have it. So I'll put that one to the side. But beautiful, beautiful shades. Next two things we have are the Lipples. We know how much I've loved and raved about these. So we have Reef and Laguna. So Laguna is like a really pretty bronzy. And then the Reef is more of like a light pink shade. Kind of like a mauve pink if you can see, but these are so comfortable on the lips. I wear these all the time. Okay, we have a lip balm. This is in the shade Laguna and it's a really nice bronzy shade. Okay, and one of the things I was the most excited about is the Paradise Found bronzing powder. So here, oh, it's upside down. Here's what it looks like. It's a really, really nice packaging, but you guys, it's like a bronzer and a highlight. And one, it kind of reminds me of like a beach. So let's see what this looks like. So there is on the hand. I think some of the gold flakes are just more on top, so I like rubbed it in again. But here's what that shade looks like. Very pretty. You guys can tell I self-tanned today and I really messed it up. And then let's see here. So all the different shades in the bronzers look really nice. This is called Vallarta. We have Laguna, which is my favorite. Here's what Laguna looks like. Then we have Punta Cana. I love how these are all places. Ooh, Punta Cana, yes. That one is calling my name. It is very deep. I love that. That's like a really good bronzer for me, especially in the summer. Yes, Punta Cana. I love Punta Cana also. Ooh, okay. These are all Life. This one's called Casino. And this is another deeper shade. I'm trying to look at different ones for summertime for me. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Then we have San Juan. Right here, it's a little bit lighter. We have another Laguna, or maybe I accidentally grabbed it twice. Then we have Santa Simona. And lastly, we have Quir IMBA. I don't want to mispronounce that. That one's also another deep one. Let me go ahead and swatch that. Okay, that's actually a little bit too deep for me. There's that. It didn't even look that deep in the pan, so that's crazy. It's crazy how bright the lights are. They don't make these shades look as deep until you swatch them, but very beautiful shades. I do really love the NARS like bronzing formula. And a big thank you to NARS for that package. Next package we have came from Kate Somerville. I've been so excited that I've actually been getting some stuff from her because I love her line. So here's what it looks like. It says, introducing Kate Somerville Delicate. Ooh, and it's in a nice purple packaging. Oh, look how cute. So it came in like this little clear purse. So let's see what we have. Oh, and it actually has information on each. Okay, so the first thing we have is the Delicate. So, oh, they're all Delicate. This is the Delicate Soothing Cleanser. So it says, over cleansed skin leads to depleted moisture barrier, making skin more susceptible to irritation. This gentle soothing cleanser formulated with 3 essential ceramides helps relieve visible redness and irritation while working to restore skin's protective barrier. There's that. The next one we have is the Recovery Serum, formerly known as the KX Omegas and Ceramide Serum. This specifically formulated serum is reborn into the Delicate family to help restore stressed and sensitive skin. My skin is stressed and sensitized. Okay, very last thing is the Recovery Cream. So this says it's an SOS calming cream formulated with a skin soothing peptide and 3 essential ceramides to help reduce visible redness while hydrating and restoring the skin's protective barrier. Thank you so much to Kate Somerville. I cannot wait to try these out. I've definitely been doing more cleaning of my skin. I need to get on to like more serums and treatments because my skin looks kind of rough. But thank you so much to Kate Somerville for that package. Next package we have is from Sephora. This is like the last part of my Sephora order. I honestly can't remember what I got. I know that I got some cotton pads. Ooh! See, I surprised myself. This is a big box. I actually used to be on the Glow Recipe PR list. I don't know if I'm on there anymore. I don't think I am. But I fell in love with their products. They're so amazing, so fruity and delicious, and they smell great. And I saw that they came out with the Watermelon Glow Toner, and I just had to have it. I also bought these cotton pads, but these are looking pretty thick. I thought they were like, I don't know, like small round ones. Let's go ahead and open this up. But yeah, I love Glow Recipe stuff. I'm still using their blueberry cleanser. I just love their products. They're so good. Ooh, so it looks kind of not runny, but you know what I mean? It's not thick at all. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells so good. I cannot wait to use it. It says hydrate the skin and help minimize the appearance of pores all at once with this gentle dual acid watermelon toner. It's a bouncy alcohol-free treatment that's formulated with PHA and willow bark and a natural form of BHA to help unclog and decongest pores. Combined with watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and cactus water, the toner smooths without stripping the skin of its natural moisture and boosts hydration. Can't wait to try that out. Thank you to myself for ordering that. Okay. Ooh, next thing we have actually came from First Aid Beauty. This is another skincare brand I do love. I say this every time I talk about them. My mom has sensitive skin. It's like literally the only skincare she can use. It's definitely amazing, especially if you have sensitive skin, but I mean, it's amazing anyway. So it says new from Fab. Okay, so we have the SPF All Day Every Day. Love that. Says it is a oil-free, non-greasy, weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide that wears like skincare, making it the perfect SPF 30 to wear alone or under makeup. Then we have an even oily skin needs moisturizer. So this says strike the perfect balance with Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisturizer and a lightweight hydration and oil controlling technology, leaving you with a shine-free complexion. And the last thing, oh, there it is. It is an eye cream. Ooh, here it is. So it says Ultra Creamy Eye Duty. Instantly makes even TikTok blurry eyes look wide awake, depuffed, and refreshed. So I'll definitely have to switch up the skincare in my bathroom so I can start trying this stuff out. Thank you, thank you, thank you to First Aid Beauty for sending this over. Next we have Boxycharm, and this is this month's Boxycharm. There it is. This package looks like it went through a lot to get to me. It's like, I don't know, the mail people really did a number on it. Ooh, I don't even know what this is, but I'm excited because it's Glam Glow. Okay, first thing that we have is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Ooh, I love me some Glam Glow stuff. So, and they normally put a little thing saying what and how much each thing is. I'm sure the Glam Glow is probably like in the $50 range. Another thing is, I always like to mention, Boxycharm does actually send me this box to try out each month. So very thankful for that. Then we have the Pretty Vulgar. Ooh, this is an eyeshadow primer. I want to see what this looks like. I wonder if it's clear. Ooh, no, it's got like a tint to it. I'm excited about that. It's so many. At first I was like, wait, what is this? Because Boxycharm, it is very like neutral tone once you blend it out. Boxycharm does give you 5 full-size products each month. Then we have the Blink Black Lash Primer to prime the lashes. We have a Studio Makeup eyeshadow palette. Ooh, these colors look very nice. I feel like this box is so different. Like, I feel like, I don't know. Like, I wonder if somebody tried to get in it, because this has like all kind of scrapes and stuff all over it. Lastly, we have the Daily Concepts shampoo bar. Oh, and then there that is. So normally, anytime that I've received a Boxycharm box, I know that I think it's like $25 a month is what you typically pay. It's normally always like over $100 or so in products. So very thankful for Boxycharm to include me on their list for this. All right, L'Oreal sent over a package. Let's see, let's see. Ooh, okay, so it says Revitalift Derm Insensitive Hyaluronic Acid. Boost your skincare routine in 7 days with our highest concentration of hyaluronic acid. So, you basically, I guess, just put this on your skin every night and it's supposed to replump it. I mean, I know a lot of products have hyaluronic acid, but that's just like straight hyaluronic acid. So, I'm kind of excited to try that out. Thank you so much, L'Oreal, for sending it over. Then we have the Allure Beauty Box. I actually did not realize that I had one from last month, so we're actually going to be opening both of them. Let's see which is what. I am not sure which is what because it doesn't say when it was sent, so we'll just open them both. All right, so first one, no it does not. Oh, okay, first one we have the Allure Resurfacing Glycolic and Unicorn Root Cleanser. Then we have the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for your face. A Smooth Selling by Curology. We have a, Skin Ink My Daily Dose of Glow Illuminate and Brighten. And then we have a Illumulator Primer. And lastly, it says Win Glamour Base. Oh, so it is a mask. And then the other box, and you guys, I think that y'all probably saw me do this if you watched my Instagram stories, but I never like to waste boxes, and these boxes too are the perfect size. I will literally put these in the pantry, or like our little Lazy Susan, and use it to put different food items in. I just wanted to point that out if you guys are like, huh, what should I do with these different kind of boxes? Okay, so then we have Thrive Cosmetics Lip Filler Lip Liner. We have a, Flower Bomb Perfume Sample. We have a Dr. Jart Correcting Treatment. A Eva NYC Main Magic Multi-Benefit Primer. We have the Low Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. A Car Skin Balance Toner. And then, this is one of my favorite masks. This is from Purlisse. This is their Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. So a big thank you to Allure for that package. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys are doing good, staying safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!